What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will compare the effectiveness of the most expensive and the least expensive winter windshield washer fluid. Is one better than the other? Is one worth paying more for? I have performed 3 tests on these fluids to answer these questions, so let's get to it. To source the washer fluid, I went to Walmart because it's widespread and I believe most accessible to a wide range of viewers. Looking at their winter windshield washer fluids, the most expensive one available was rainx Extreme Temperature De-Icer, costing $3.84, and the lowest priced winter fluid was Supertech Winter Formula, ringing in at $1.78. The rainx was more than double the cost of the Supertech. So, is it more than twice as effective? Let's first make a quick comparison between what the two fluids advertised. rainx features negative 30 degree Fahrenheit protection, melts frost, snow, and light ice faster, eliminates refreeze on windshield and wiper blades, instantly applies rainx water beading technology. The Supertech features negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit protection and cleans windshield and prevents icing from the system in freezing weather. The first comparison is the temperature protection, with rainx advertised at negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit and Supertech at negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Testing the fluids at these extreme sub-zero temperatures is not practical, so I'll take their word for it. Next, which is what we'll focus on, is the important everyday practical application. In the winter, when the windshield collects frost, snow, and ice, you spray windshield washer fluid on it to clear it off. And the rainx clearly states that it melts frost, snow, and light ice faster, with an exclamation mark. So that is what we'll test in detail. I have 3 tests lined up, plus a bonus test, so let's get started. The first test is an ice melt test, to see which fluid melts ice the fastest. I added the same amount of each fluid to separate glass cups, then added an ice cube to each cup. The ice cubes came from the same tray and were visually inspected to be the same size. I performed this test 3 times, and each time the result was the same. The inexpensive Supertech melted the ice cube first, typically around a minute faster. In this specific run, it melted the ice cube at 5 minutes and 45 seconds. And the more expensive rainx, which melts ice faster, typically melted the ice a minute later. In this specific run, it finished melting the ice at 7 minutes. I don't want to make you watch ice melt for 7 minutes. We still have 2 more tests to do, plus a bonus test. So I've sped this up and cut out a middle portion to get to the end quicker. The remaining tests will be practical tests with ice on windshields. I have 3 vehicles with frost on the windshields. I have left the fluids outdoors to replicate them being outdoors in the washer tank. Next, I transferred some of each fluid to a spray bottle so it can be applied to the windshields. For test number 2, I applied each fluid to half of the frosted windshield. To see what effect they will have, I first scraped the divider line and then sprayed rainx on the left half and Supertech on the right half. I squirted both bottles simultaneously, applying the same amount to each half. Initially, they both appeared to do a similar job, both melting the ice away in short order. However, returning a few minutes later, the Supertech half was crystal clear, and the rainx half had a thin layer of ice covering the entire surface. You may notice a couple bald patches on the rainx side. That's where I scraped it with the scraper, just to verify that there was ice on it. And it was definitely a thin layer of ice. The lower cost Supertech won this test as well. And in addition, the rainx completely failed on its claim to eliminate refreeze on windshield. On to test number 3. I applied each fluid to a frosted windshield with the wipers activated. The rainx is on the left side of the screen in one vehicle, and the Supertech is on the right side of the screen in a different vehicle. Both vehicles are Chevy Impalas. When applying the washer fluid, both windshields cleaned up in short order. I suppose all I can say about this is if your wipers are running and you spray washer fluid, the windshield will be clean. So, they both work. Now to the bonus test. The one feature of the rainx that has not been addressed is instantly applies rainx water beading technology. Maybe this alone is worth paying double the price. Maybe this is the redeeming feature. So let's check it out. In test 3, I ran both fluids with wipers. So if rainx water beading technology is applied instantly, it is definitely applied after running it for 1 minute. I filled a spray bottle with water and sprayed a water mist onto both windshields. First the rainx windshield, then the Supertech windshield. I did not see any beading to note. To me, they both look the same. frozen streaks of water running down the windshield. In this picture, the rainx is on the left and the supertech is on the right. One last thing I noticed is that both of these fluids use the exact same container, Southwind Ltd, part number HSM0148. It likely just means that Southwind manufactures an acceptable container at a competitive cost and is used by many fluid manufacturers, but I figured it was worth pointing out. So that concludes the tests. To wrap up, in the end, the supertech winter formula, which was the lowest cost winter fluid available, outperformed the rainx extreme temperature De-Icer, which was the most expensive winter fluid available, costing more than twice as much. If given the choice, I recommend the supertech. And just to be clear, none of my videos are sponsored in any way. I purchased these products with my own money and of my own free will, so I can make a helpful how-to or review video for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I post a new one at least once a week. Drop any comments below, and I will see you in the next video.
Alright. That's clever. I like that.
That was awesome.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I gotta start over.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine.